evening. It's San Pedro Red Lions against Zamboanga Valientes. Malik Diouf, Rudy Lingganay, Vic Manuel, Mike Tolomia, and Nick DeMoses for the Zamboanga Valientes. Kakauwi lang galing Dubai for their international tournament. Itong Zamboanga Valientes. Malik Diouf will jump here. Malik Diouf against Kalimag, his former teammate in UP. Nagpang-abot to, sabi ng ating source dito.
Magandang information yan na bigay sa atin Pero makikita mo nga dito, wala nang pahipay itong Valientes. Ball is life din.
Oo. Wala na. The other night, they played exhibition game in Zamboanga City against De La Salle Green Archers. Malik Diouf with a big smile on his face right after that.
Pahipay itong Valientes. Ball is life din.
Oo. Wala na. The other night, they played exhibition game in Zamboanga City against De La Salle Green Archers. Malik Diouf with a big smile on his face right after that steal. Here comes the termite, Rudy Lingganay off the glass. Trending to the other week, against the international player.
Oo pala,
Kawawa yung ating kababayan doon.
Pero, parang nakakuha naman ng justice Parang deserve the other player kung ano yung mga proper sanctions
Yung
talaga.
sanction.
Oo. Kasi that's not basketball na talaga.
Beyond.
Oo.
Tsaka intentional. Parang napapansin ko dito for the jersey of Zamboanga Valientes. Medyo masikip for Vic Manuel. Kita mo naman yung sa shoulder niya, di ba?
Oo nga, actually. May
diba?
punit. Pinunitan niya na.
Diba?
Pinunitan niya na.
Itule, corner. Aldous misshot. Itule. Inside.
All of the points para dito sa San Beda, all coming from Etulia. Isang 3-pointer at saka isang galing sa ilalim.
Itule is still playing for San Beda but he played for international na. He represented Philippines in the FIBA 3x3 in Doha, Qatar.
Okay. Meron na rin pala siya ng international experience no?
So against a team na meron na ding international experience. So, yun nga. Nick DeMoses, the free throw line, medyo pangalawang trip na to for Nick DeMoses at the free throw line for this ball game.
Ang ganda rin kasi ng hanap sa kanya ni Vic Manuel sa ilalim. Na double team na siya nun. Pero he still was able to find DeMoses dito sa ilalim.
Here comes San Beda. Down by 1 point here. Kalimag. Here comes the screen. Comes from Lina. Reyes. Picks up that one. Wide open shot. Nothing but net for Reyes.
Partner, that was over a Malik Diouf. Turn around yun
A known shot blocker in UAAP before. Rudy Lingganay. Bumawi sa kanyang error doon as Mike Tolomia, the former FEU, misses that 3-pointer. At ngayon naman, nakaantabay sa atin on the sideline. We have a report coming from Maurice Victorio. Balikan natin mamaya si Maurice Victorio para sa kanyang report.
Hindi ako huling gumagawa.
And 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 9-6. It's Zamboanga Valientes possession here, coach. Yan lumamang itong San Beda dito. Colombia. So Vic Manuel, the one-hander. That is patented move.
Grabe na 100 na yun. Meron na ba siya ng mga ganung move dati ba?
Parang meron Matangkad lang talaga yung kalaban. Kaya pinamama niya. On the other side, San Beda. Nice for 3. Another offensive rebound for the Red Shirts. The swing to the corner. That's a missed shot. Rebound for Mike Tolomia. 9-8. Demoses goes to Malik Diouf. Nice cut by Demoses. Here comes the fake and the scores. At ngayon nga, andito na si Maris Victorio for her report.
Kima ninyo, pagpasok ko nga sa Lions din, no, ang dugout ng Red Lions. Una kong napansin ang napakasayang vibe ni head coach Yuri Escueta. Safe to say, masayang celebration ang kanyang birthday kahapon. Pero sabi niya nga, kahit kumpiyansa silang maglalaro ngayon, hindi pa din sila dapat makampante, lalo na mga veterano ang kanilang kakalabanin. Alam niyo, sabi niya, malaking factor na wala ang main ball handler na si Nigel Gonzalez, pero buti na lang, andyan si Jimmy Reyes at si Kyle Hamora. Ang pinaka-mindset nila para dito ay respect begets respect. Kahit anumang resulta, importante daw ang aral na mapupulot nila dito dahil what better way to learn basketball kung hindi sa mga veterano. Tingnan ninyo.
Thank you so much, Maris. And begets respect, no? So, itong mga rookies din ng San Beda, nire-respeto nila itong mga veterans ng Zamboanga. Same way, itong Zamboanga Valientes. Yung, alam naman natin, pag collegiate, tatakbo talaga yan.
Oo, and speaking of respect begets respect, yes, they do respect itong Zamboanga Valientes. Pero alam ko, sa gagawin na itong San Beda, they would earn respect as well galing dito sa mga veterano players natin.
Vic Manuel, let's say, miss shot. By the way, last year, itong Zamboanga Valientes, nag-champion dito. And itong si Vic Manuel, yung naging finals MVP. Oh, that's a foul from behind for San Beda.
So basically, partner, this is a battle of champions. Diba? Kasi Valientes champion dito last year.
Tsaka
Tapos
Beda.
itong Beda, champion rin ng NCAA.
Yep. Season 101.
So we expect another great game no? Kasi first day pa lang natin kahapon, grabe na yung mga laro. Imagine, double overtime agad.
Double OT, sa finals game natin. Denver Cadiz, the pride of Zamboanga City. Nandito ngayon for Zamboanga. And also, for the first time, pride of Davao also, Aline Bulanati, former Baste din. 10-9, 1 point lead for the Valientes. 4-25. Pass inside. Dina. That's a big man's touch right there.
So we call that quick up. Mga one-hander na mga tira. It's super effective actually. Super efficient siya.
Barkley Bonia. Former Tira Firma. No? Last team ni Barkley Bonia. Ni Bonia sa Tira Firma. Former FEU, tama raw?
Actually, dalawa pala sila dyan. Andyan din si Michael Lomia.
Michael Lomia.
FEU din yan.
Diba, nagpang-abot yung dalawang yan
Oo.
sa FEU. Grabe yung lineup na yun ng FEU dati.
Malakas yun.
R. Pugoy, Macbelo.
Macbelo pa, no?
Grabe yun. So ito, Denver Cadiz at the line. Yan, yung positioning sa ilalim.
Na-OC yung referee natin eh.
Oo.
Bawal daw lumagpas sa linya eh. No? Inayos siya talaga.
Yup.
Ganon ka-organized dito sa Zamboanga.
Miss shot for Denver Cadiz. Out of bounds for Zamboanga Valientes. Malik Diouf, nakangiti na lang doon.
Napaka-smiling nito si Malik Diouf. Ini-enjoy niya lang yung laro eh.
You can feel the positivity nitong player na ito no?
Oh, pero don't get him wrong He may be smiling pero he's working really hard.
Yup.
Both ends of the court yan.
Marcelo misses that jumper. Malik Diouf to Cadiz. Nice feed to Diouf. Deflected by San Beda. That's a push for the Red Shirts. Alain Bulanadi just waiting there at the elbow sa transition at after ng pito. Pinul niya na lang yung trigger.
Sorry, partner, para lang sa ating mga viewers dyan penalty na ang San Beda dito
Oo.
at this point. Tapos itong Zamboanga, 0 pa ang kanilang team fouls. Medyo maaga silang napunta sa penalty
Yeah.
for that matter.
Sa tingin mo, anong reason, coach?
Well, first of all, the size,
The
di ba? Pag yung ginagawa ni Demosis, di ba? He went on to the line sobrang early na ilang beses na nakatatlo na yata siya or twice. Dahil yun sa size and because of Zamboanga Valientes ball rotation, they're
Yeah.
really looking for that open guy sa ilalim.
Vic Diouf, this is the second free throw here. Tatlong minuto na lang sa ating first quarter dito. The bounce pass going to Lina against Barkley Bonia. One-hander. Lina scores. That's his fourth point. Denver Cadiz will bring this one down for Zamboanga Valientes. Bulanadi. Ibonia wants it. 8 seconds for Barkley. Cross-court pass. Catch for Tolomia. 5 seconds. They need to fire. Tolomia decides to go. The first shot for Barkley. Or correction for Mike Tolomia. Also a native for Zamboanga.
FPU to FPU connection yung nangyari doon. From Barkley Bonia to Michael Lomo.
Almost a steal for Malik. Complete steal. Malik Diouf gets the end one. 16-13. Look at that in transition. Just recognizing the game. Malik Diouf rewarded by his point guard doon.
Pag gano'n, nakita mo big man mo na gano'n yung takbo, napakagandang rewardan niya ng mga ganyan eh. Tapos, co-convert pa niya yung 3-point play na yan.
Oo. Eto, palitan na ng import dito. By the way, sa ating rules, dalawang import per team composition. But, isa lang yung pwedeng maglaro inside the floor. Hawkins inside. That is your traveling play.
So, kung ano pala, so Marcus Demosis is not considered as a
Hindi.
import.
Hindi.
Okay.
Local lang si Demoses kasi he played in, di ba? NC. Si Demoses. Oo.
Okay. Bulanati there using his offhand.
Oo.
Mahirap na tira yan. Wow, what a find. Michael Dora kay Hawkins inside. Napasok na rin pala dito si Dennis Santos, partner.
Oo. Dennis Santos.
Oo.
Also a former 3x3 player. He played for Chooks to Go. Dennis Santos. Sina Mactalio.
Sila ng Mac.
Josh Cesay.
Tsaka he also played sa MPBL.
MPBL.
He played for my dad actually.
Valenzuela, di ba? Oo.
Hindi, Cebu na.
Cebu.
Oo, Cebu team na.
That's a foul against Hawkins. He's a animated player. Last night, di ba?
Yeah.
Against the FSA din ng UP.
He likes the challenge.
Yeah.
He wants to step up the challenge talaga. He rises to the occasion.
17-15. Denver Cadiz misses his first one. 2 out of 2 for Denver Cadiz. Hamora. Also from Mindanao. Nice feed to Hawkins, and that's a foul on Barkley Bonia.
Medyo nasaktan dun si Cadiz. Di niya nakita na may nakatayo palang Hawkins sa likod niya. Parang walang nakapagsabi sa kanya may backpick doon. ganun ka galing itong mga guardian ng Beda. Parang split second na ma-open isang teammate sa kanila. They try their best talaga na mapunta doon agad yung bola for the best possible shot.
Hindi talaga nagtatagal yung bola
Oo.
sa kanilang kamay, no?
Kumbaga, it's a game of hot potato.
Wow, that's the bottom shot. Itong Alain Bulanadi. Rattles out nga lang for Zamboanga. Almost a steal for Denver Cadiz. Hamora. Bounce pass to Hawkins. Stolen away. Here comes Cadiz. The smallest guy inside the floor. The PSA champion. Don't underestimate this hard. Grabe ang Denver Cadiz na yun. The drive. Too strong. Put back na bitawan ng San Beda. Bulanadi. Bounce pass to Ibonia. Out of bounds. Let's take a look at the steal by Denver Cadiz. Small but terrible.
Grabe.
Trigger from Zamboanga Cebu tayo dito sa ating Governor Ann K. Hofer Basketball Invitational Tournament para po sa ating 25th araw ng Zamboanga Sibugay. Happy silver anniversary Sibugaynons, and we have some entertainment para po sa inyong lahat. It's a 5 days of basketball here in Zamboanga Sibugay. At ngayon nga po, pangalawang araw natin. It's San Beda Red Lions against Zamboanga Valientes. Oh, that's a kabo-kabo. Tabo-tabo.
Parang he was supposed to give it na sana pero biglang umangat eh. So, na masyadong matagal yung float niya.
22-17. Pull up J. Too strong. Here comes Mendy. 22-17. Pull up J. Too strong. Here comes Mendy. Drives. Strong move for Mendy, but andun pa rin yung depensa ni Lina.
Oo.
Pull up J. Too strong. Here comes Mendy. Drives. Strong move for Mendy, but andun pa rin yung depensa ni Lina.
Oo. Hindi rin kaliitan tong Mina. Malaki rin tong
Here comes Mendy. Drives. Strong move for Mendy, but andun pa rin yung depensa ni Lina.
Oo. Hindi rin kaliitan tong Mina. Malaki rin tong Lina. Sorry.
I'm sure nagpang-abot na din ito sa mga liga sa Manila, coach, itong dalawa. Sa April, Zamboanga, Sibugay, meron pa tayong mga vacant seats, coach. Sa mga viewers natin dyan sa live. Pwede pa po kayong manood dito mamaya sa ating second game. Maganda din yung ating ihahain sa inyo. It's the La Salle Green Archers against UP Fighting Maroons. It's the rematch of season 89, coach.
Oo, alam naman natin na mapupuno na naman agad itong ating Coliseum, no? Same as last night.
Last
Grabe,
night.
jam-pack talaga yan.
22-17. Here comes Lina. 12 seconds to shoot. Make it 8 seconds to shoot. Miss shot from downtown. Bulanadi will cross the timeline para po sa Zamboanga Valientes. Goes to Cadiz, wala. Sabi niya wag muna. Ibonia wants it at the post. Barkley gets the end one.
I think yun yung first points natin ng second quarter, no? Mahaba-habang round.
Yeah. Almost 2 minutes, coach.
Yeah, almost.
Let's take a look at this Barkley Ibonia. Former PBA player. Ginagatasan itong dalawang player, dalawang player ng San Beda.
Minama na rin ni Barkley Ibonia. I think Yung pagka Mr. Muscle nito ni Vic Manuel, nag-drop off na rin sa kanya, eh, no?
Naipasa na din eh. No? 25-17. 8 and 15 sa ating oras. Lina against John Paul Mandy. Hamora fires from downtown. Miss shot. The tap goes to Beda pa rin. Corner. Kalima fires. Pintes pa rin. Nadi stops into Santos. Bolanadi gets the two-pointer. San Beda right now is down by 10 points.
Yes, down by 10 points ito ating San Beda, no? Pero they're really playing great basketball. Eh. As you can see, they're moving the ball from the left side of the court to the right side, balik na naman sa left side until they find, sabi ni Coach Will, baka daw may act of violence. Which is, wala naman tayo, tumama lang.
7:35. Andito pa rin si Reyes. Pag mga Reyes talaga, matitibay.
Oo naman.
One-hander off the glass. And that is good for Kalimag. 8-point lead for Zamboanga. Bolanadi to Barkley Ibonia. Quick spin. Barkley. That's a traveling.
Over the baka dun si Ibonia. Hindi siya naka-step sa breaks on time, eh, no?
27-19. Reyes. Kung saan sila pupunta dito. 10 seconds to shoot. Reyes goes to Kalimag. Reyes to the corner. That's good for 3.
Diba, so what I mentioned kanina, you know, yung ball movement, yung ball rotation ng San Beda talaga. Mahahanap niya yung best shot possible in every possession.
Oo, sa dami pa namang ikot ng bola nila. Eh. Rodi Santos to Alain Bulanadi. Bulanadi, 2 seconds to shoot. Too strong for Bulanadi. Here comes Reyes with a rebound. Decides to fire from downtown. Miss shot. The top goes to Kalimag at the corner. Another, Ratos out lang pala. Rudy Linganay. Ito yung mga idol ng mga otits natin eh. Play for Powerade.
Oo, yeah.
Wow, Barkley Bonia again with a quick spin.
Yung mga gwardiya ng Valientes kanina dito, si Cadiz, and now we have Rudy Lingana again. Mga lefties.
Oo,
Diba?
mga
No?
kaliwete,
Oo.
mga wakalis. 4 minutes and 40? 5 minutes and 40?
Na-compare naman dito sa Beda, puro right-handed yung mga gwardiya nila.
De La Rama with one earlier. That's a steal. And that's John Paul Menti for Valientes. 31-22. Reyes. Pull up for De La Rama. Miss shot. Rodney Santos with a big rebound.
Sayang yan, no? Ganda sana ng one dribble pull-up. What a drive for Bulanadi. Swabe lang.
Ito.
Swabe lang.
Pangatlong kaliwete ng Zamboanga Valientes.
Actually, oo
Alain
nga pala.
Bulanadi. Ano, grabe to. When he played for Davao or for Basilan in MPBL pre-pandemic, you know? And then nag-PBA. Reyes drives. Nasiraduan doon at nahuli itong si Rudy Linganay. There's a push for him. Vic Manuel, Mike Tolomia, Malik Diouf checks back for Valientes while Bulanadi, Ibonia, and si Mendy ang upo para sa kanila. On the other side, dalawang player for San Beda din yung papasok. Medrosa and ito si Tortules ang papasok. Tortules, wow, dancing against his former teammate Malik Diouf.
Grabe naman pagsabi ng hello, how are you yun? para sa isang old teammate, no?
Diouf, cross-court pass. Here comes Mike Tolonia. Too strong for Mike. 33 at 24. Mina. Cross-court. Diouf will bring this one down. Punta kay Rudy Lingganay. Pull up for 3. It is for Rudy. 4 minutes. Reverse pass. Walang napuntahan doon.
Yung Zamboanga Vallenes natin dito, no? Parang hindi pa nila nakukuha yung touch nila from beyond the arc.
Oo.
Diba? Parang most, if not all of the shots, coming talaga sa drive.
First game natin, Zamboanga Valientes against San Beda Red Lions. And by the way, last night, nanalo nga itong San Beda against UP Fighting Maroons. While itong Zamboanga Valientes, ito yung kanilang unang laro sa kanilang pagsali dito sa ating 4th Governor Ann K. Hooper Open Invitational Basketball Tournament. Demoses goes inside. Cross-court. Tolomia fakes. Bumalik sa linya ng Tres Mintes. Asking for some foul. And that's a out of bounds.
That's a sorry turnover there coming from Minas. That was a 3-on-1 na sana against Rudy Lingganay. Pero nga, hindi niya na-control doon yung bola. Tingnan natin, itong San Beda ngayon, there's a change of scenery, no? Nagpalit sila ngayon ng defense nila. They're doing a zone as of the moment. Parang napansin nila na wala tumitira sa labas. Sa bata.
Malik Diouf. Ginawang sampayan doon ng mga players ng San Beda. Ang haba. Itule. That's a foul for him. And third team foul para sa San Beda. Three minutes and 27 seconds. Malik Diouf with this Puma Nitro mismatch.
Ang hirap talaga bantayan ng isang Malik Diouf di ba? As you mentioned, ang haba niya na, andun pa yung skill. Pag na-foul siya, ang ganda pa ng touch niya sa free throw line, di ba? Parang sa complete package na hinahanap natin sa isang big man.
The reason why he was one of the best FSA for UAAP's 20s era.
Yeah.
Mina fires. May shot rebound for Vic Manuel.
Against 36. Okay.
35 to 24 is our game. 3 minutes and 4 seconds.
Okay,
Third personal foul na. Yun lang ang bili. Ang bilis.
Oo, mabilis talaga yung mga fouls.
That's a steal for San Beda. Over the head pass, wide open. Transition 3 for San Beda. Bonzalida. The rebound. Aldos Turculas. Tackles out. Rebound for Vic Manuel. Demoses. Malik Diouf catches it. Hindi pala.
Medyo mga taas yung pasa doon ni Demoses. Medyo mahirap yung gano'n na pasa. Alam mo yun, tumatakbo ka down here. Tapos Malik Diouf wants that lob while sealing a defender. Medyo mahirap na yung gano'n na pasa. Kaya medyo lumagpas talaga eh. Kasi he's a moving target for that matter.
Nick Demoses, sit down. Pinaupo muna siya ng kanilang head coach na si Coach RJ Argamino, UE First Assistant Coach and former Bidil. Rudy Lingganay will cross this one. Push muna itong Zamboanga Valientes. Malik Diouf will receive. Umatake mula sa top of the key. Napalakas lang yung kanyang layup doon. Reyes. Pocket pass. Dive doon nitong si Hawkins. That's a traveling violation. Kaangat na yung dalawang pa. Gumulong din.
Pero, hindi mo ba matitake away yung effort na binigay niya doon di ba? To dive for the ball.
Right on our screen.
Another lefty.
Oo.
Dito sa ating Zamboanga Valientes.
Denver Cadiz. The first assistant coach for Zamboanga Valientes, Coach Joseph Romarate. From Zamboanga, also educated from the big fundamentals basketball. In and out for Mike Tolomia. Ooh, denied by Aldos Torcullas. Mina tries to attack. Bonzalida knocks down the three-pointer.
Kagabi siya rin yung nakahit ng dalawa na 3-pointer na very crucial di ba?
Aldos Torcullas, gustong lumabas sa half-court natin. But Coach Andre Santos sumisigaw ng atras and a traveling for Alin Bulanadi. Give a timeout for San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay.
By Sivas over Sunday.
35-27, a lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Under a minute sa ating second quarter. 5-27. Alain Bulanadi. That's a good for three.
Ayan umuumpisa na sila, pumukol from the outside, di ba? Yung Zamboanga Valientes, parang narinig yata ako sinasabi, hindi kami shoot sa outside? Ito, coach game mo, para sa'yo.
At ito nga, bawi din ang San Beda. De La Rama. Next down the three-pointer. Or correction, dati si Mina. Kanina pa yan umaatip itong si Mina at ngayon lang pumasok para sa kanya. 28 seconds. Mike Tolomia. Sumabay din sa San Beda doon. Bonzalida. Torcullas to Bonzalida. Inatake. Hawkins gets the end one. Tingnan natin ulit yung feed nitong si Bonzalida to Hawkins. Yan. Sa ganda ng pasa ni Bonzalida, napakagat itong si Malik Diouf. Open na open. Itong si Hawkins doon.
Pero grabe din yung upper body strength doon ni Hawkins, Sumampa na sa kanya si Malik Diouf, naiangat niya pa yung bola, and he even made that basket. Kaso nga lang, hindi niya napunta kompleto.
Malik Diouf bringing this one down. Bulanadi to Cadiz. Bulanadi too strong. And I guess that's it to end the first half. It's 41-32. And we'll be right back sa ating halftime. San Beda, they started well on the first quarter, but then the veterans of Zamboanga Valientes able to get this lead heading to our halftime.
Actually, they still are playing really well naman sa San Beda. It's just ngayon pa, nung last minutes ng second quarter natin, dun pa pumasok yung mga 3-pointer ng Valientes na nagpatulong pa sa nila na lalong lumayo against ito sa San Beda.
Vic Manuel with a 3-pointer. There's a foul on Reyes against Malik Diouf. Hirap.
Yeah, di ba yun yung naging problema nila. First quarter, super early penalty. Ngayon na naman, 15 seconds pa lang yung tumatakbo, foul na agad ako ng San Beda because nga sa size advantage.
No, yung size advantage nga. Itong Zamboanga Valientes. Malik Diouf to Vic Manuel. Goes inside. What a scoop. Under kili-kili pa yun. 43-32. 11 yung abante nitong Zamboanga Valientes. Lina against Duke. Balik sa labas. Gahanap ng handoff. 5 seconds to shoot. Mina. 3-pointer. Short. Valientes. Here comes Tolomia. In transition. 45-32. 13 yung abante.
Sayang din yung gustong ni Lina eh. Parang yung nakuha niya sa post, nakuha niya medyo malayo siya. I think he was trying to do a grenade handoff kaso walang nakatingin sa kanya na guards. Kaya hindi nila na-execute ng maayos.
Aldo Struculas to Lina. Oh, good off the glass for Lina.
That's his shot. Alam mo, yun yung niya, range niya, yung perimeter na yan eh. He has those one-handed quick ups, tsaka yung mga jump shot na gano'n. He has that range.
Kailangan ng mga bigs na ganyan. Lalo sa panahon ngayon. Yung pag-adjust ng basketball. Vic Manuel. Speaking of perimeter, itong taong to nakilala sa PBA at sa Philippine basketball because of that arsenal. At ngayon, nilalapit na yung kanyang mga shots dito as Lina misses his jumper. Extra feed outside. 10 seconds to shoot. Ito yung 100 ni Lina. Short nga lang. Duke will bring this one down. Naging point guard big na si
Tinesting niya
Malik.
lang. Tinesting niya lang.
I wanna be like OMB. Tolomia, hesitation, spin. Wow, off the glass masyadong napalakas lang. But Malik Duke, that's a foul for San Beda.
Great active hands there coming dito kay Malik Diaz, no? Hindi niya nakuha yung rebound, pero pag rebound, active hands again, and he even forced an offensive ball for that matter.
Nayuko pa yun ni ni Malik Duke.
Julie Montero, SB members sa Comunista Pinay. Good evening, sir and welcome.
Malik Duke, handoff para kay Mike Tolomia. Tolomia drives, a miss shot. Ngayon naman, may report tayo for Zamboanga Valientes coming from San Beda.
Kung wala kayong kumpiyansa i-shoot yan, edi wag na lang kayo maglaro. Kasi ako may kumpiyansa ako sa inyo at tiwala. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Yuri Escueta sa dugout. According to him, they are getting open shots, getting stops. So take advantage of it. Alam mo, team ninyo, wala nga silang in-adjust sa system nila eh. What you see is the usual Red Lions play. Sabi pa nga ni Jimmy Reyes, win or lose, this is a good experience for him. Mas makakasa pa daw kasi ang kanyang kaalaman sa larangan ng basketball, lalo na't mga veterano ang kanyang kinakalaban. For him, the opponent plays a lot slower so they will be aggressive for the rest of the game. Kim Ninyo?
Thank you so much, Maris. And hindi nga lang for the price na 800,000 itong pinunta ng San Beda, no? But for them to experience and to train against a pro team or a veteran team, an international team heading into their, defense for their crown sa NCAA.
Oo, sa mga ganitong teams natin, partner, no? Winning is not everything eh. Coming into sa mga ganito na mga liga, it's also about learning something, di ba?
Yep.
Parang kahit matalo man tayo, may natutunan tayo, we gain something out of it eh. Manalo, makakuha ng prize money, bonus na yun.
Yep, bonus na yung, prize doon.
Oo.
The traveling violation for Malik Duke. 50-39. 11-point lead for the Zamboanga Valientes. 6 minutes and 12. Aldo Struculas spins, fires, back iron, and a grab for Vic Manuel. 6 minutes for a third quarter. Linganay goes to Vic Manuel, fires from downtown. Manuel wants to join Tolomia here in the 3-point shooting. Marcelo, miss shot again. Rebound, takbo dito si Vic Manuel. The save. Na out of bounds for Marcelo. Cadiz checks back for Rudy Linganay dito sa Zamboanga Valientes. And also Hawkins para naman sa San Beda for Lina.
Status de Luzon. Hakib Lucas Hakib.
Ito Turkulas also will sit down and papasok ulit si Dilarama for San Beda. Wow. High IQ inbound doon for Aline Bulenadi. Pull up. Dire-diretso na for Bulenadi.
Parang walang nangyari, no? Parang walang nangyari.
Piso-piso lang no? Parang practice lang for
Oo.
Bulenadi.
Enjoy lang.
Bonzalida. Nasa Gedli. 2 points doon.
By the way, partner, no, para dun sa ating mga viewers na nakanood ng game natin last night para dito sa San Beda, maybe they're looking for Penny Estancio, yung isang guard ng San Beda, yung number 0. So, I think he will not be playing tonight. Para precaution lang kasi parang nadulas siya last night yung game nila na yun. So, parang alalay lang. Pero, he will be back naman daw sa upcoming games nila.
Kalimag on the other side attacks in transition against Denver Cadiz. Ito sa Zamboanga Valientes. Raton de Coco. Itong Zamboanga. Manuel wants it against Bonsalida. Double team kaagad. Nandun yung help. And Vic Manuel kain for Muscleman Vic Manuel. Take a look at this post. Yung dalawang pesky defender pa ng San Beda yung nakabantay doon kay Vic Manuel. It's Hawkins and Bonsalida.
Medyo na-late kasi yung help ni Hawkins dun sa help side niya. Bonsalida was fronting him para nga dun sa lob pass. He was expecting na Hawkins was already there. Pero pag lob pass, nakita niya wala pa si Hawkins. Kaya siya nag-shift dito sa may baseline. Kaya naman, ginamit ni Vic Manuel yung advantage yun to go to the middle for that end one shot.
Kabisadong kabisado na yan ni Vic Manuel.
Oo, nakikita na yan. Papunta pa lang yung bola.
The handoff at the top of the key. 14 seconds. Stolen away. Tap by Demoses to Ratan de Coco. It's out of bounds for the red shirts of San Beda.
Diba? Speaking of pesky defender, grabe yung in-sprint doon ni Bonsalida all the way from the backcourt. Hinabol niya itong maliit na si Cadiz.
Sprint talaga
Para,
no?
para walang easy layup dito.
Or Santos.
Ibonia wants it against Bonsalida. Barkley, cross court.
Santos from downtown off the mark.
Santos. That's Denny Santos. Tries from downtown. That's a steal for Denver Cadiz. An easy layup for Raton de Coco of Zamboanga City. Yan yung kanyang moniker. Raton de Coco.
Natonti ko.
Oo.
Ah.
Kasi foul, sundot doon. Number 88 and number 7. That's on Mandy or Mendy. John Paul Mendy. Here's the steal earlier. Itong si Raton de Coco. Tinignan pa muna yung side mirror before going to his left no?
Alam na baback down. Pag pihit, babalik dun sa right hand Inabangan niya talaga.
Tinignan niya din ulit kasi kanina si Bonsalida nga sprinting back to
Oo.
stop him in transition.
Sinilip niya na.
Oo.
Sabi nga sa rearview mirror. Diba? Ganun na ka high IQ yung mga players natin yan. They learn from everything that's happening sa game.
That's maturity din. And
Oo.
you know, the experience when you played in national and international.
Tama. Which is yun yung gustong mangyari ngayon ng San Beda. Yun yung gusto nila makuha.
Yeah.
That maturity, yung learning na yun.
It's the second time around, by the way, for Barkley Bonia na matawagan siya ng traveling violation sa post. Di ba?
Oo. Alam mo yung mga travel na ganun, dahil din yun sa effort na binibigay ng mga defender etong San Beda. Walang easy na nakukuha sila galing sa post.
Wow! Kalimag. Again, this is the second three-pointer. Earlier, sa first half natin, hit one. At ngayon nga, pangalawa na for Kalimag. Natonde Coco goes to the Moses. Picked up by John Paul Mendy. Fires from downtown. That's an air ball for Mendy.
Ano na yun eh. Parang kailangan niya na itira yun eh. The shot clock was
Oo.
winding down na talaga.
Expiring na din eh.
Oo.
But the white shirts, Sambuanga Valiente still up here by 10 points. Rebound by John Paul Mendy.
Hindi nagkaamuyan yung dalawang white shirts.
Medyo malaki din yung paa, no? Size 15 or 14.
Kung mga size 10.5 yun, good ba yun eh?
Good pa yun.
Pwede pa eh.
Pag si Raton de Coco yung naka-save nun,
Good pa.
good pa. Pero it's a different story for Mendy.
Haba eh.
Wow! Reyes. Gustong ipagpag dito si Raton de Coco. Miss shot, rebound. Picked up by Nick DeMoses. That's out of bounds for Hawkins. A veteran decision right there for Nick DeMoses.
Yeah. Ayaw niya ipaagaw. Alam mo yung itatapon na lang pataas just to save the ball. Eto, may paa sa tabi ko.
Bonya wants it. Binigay naman ni Santos. 12 seconds to shoot. Barkley to Santos. And they cut inside. That's a foul for San Beda. Apat na. Team foul. Here comes Barkley Bonya. Kita na andun yung help ni Hawkins. Good cut by Denny Santos.
Na-late yung tao ni Santos sa Indelarama kasi he was trying to dig pag dribble ni Barkley. Tama naman he was trying to dig pero nawala yung vision niya. Kaya ang ganda ng cut na nagawa natin ni Dennis Santos.
Denny Santos at the free throw line. Kita mo, nagbe-bend lang. Parang Arwin Santos lang kung mag-free throw eh, no?
Arwin Santos hindi nagbe-bend at all.
Oh, ay, oo nga pala. Straight lang pala yun.
Lang yun. Pero pasok.
Pasok.
Tinry ko yung free throw na ganun. Ayun, hindi na ako binalik.
You know, yung ganun na style na free throw, it requires a upper body strength talaga. Eh, As Reyes misses that one. Kita mo naman yung palampag doon. Oo, kalawit rebound. Denver Cadiz. DeMoses gustong umatake. Balik kay Cadiz. 10 seconds to shoot. Ibonya wants it. Poposte. Nagkahanap ng magkakat. Diretso na lang ba? Binalik kay Cadiz. Fires, misses. And that's a foul on Hawkins and rebound. So it's 2 shots.
Call against number 36. Only foul. 36 Hawkins.
It's a 2 shots for
Hawkins, number 36.
John Paul. Hawkins. Oo, kanina.
Penalty na naman.
Oo, penalty na naman.
Oo.
By the way, kanina, sinabi nga natin, pangatlong personal foul na yun ditong si Hawkins. And, ngayon nga, with his hard assignment against John Paul Mendy, pang-apat na. Third quarter pa lang tayo, Coach Kim.
Pero, don't get the wrong idea. Hindi laging nasa penalty itong San Beda.
No.
Because of bad habits like palo ng palo, agaw ng agaw. Hindi. Nakukuha nila yung mga palo because they're boxing out. Tapos they're trying to rebound talaga against larger, bigger opponents eh. So, sumasabit lang talaga.
It's Reyes. Goes to the corner. De La Rama gives it outside. 10 seconds to shoot. Didiskarte si Reyes dito against Cadiz. Hinabol pa yun ni John Paul Mendy. He brings this one down under a minute. Nabitawan. Steal for San Beda. 50 seconds left. De La Rama. Oh! Clean steal for Cadiz. Ibonya. Hinanap yung shooter. Bulanadi. Kakasabit. 40 seconds. At the corner. Miss for San Beda. Here comes Bulanadi. Kinanan niya doon para sa isang kaliwete.
Grabe yung sequence na yun, no? Really going up and back sprints from offense to defense.
Reyes double team. Denied yung pasa by Alain Bulanadi.
22.6 seconds.
May isa pang player for Zamboanga Valientes na papasok. That is number 31.
Reyes against Ignacio.
They go to the corner. De La Rama fires. May shot. Rebound. And good for two underneath. For San Beda.
7 seconds.
Ibonia, 5 seconds to shoot. Bulanadi. Fires Bulanadi off the glass. For Alin Bulanadi. Pinunot pa yung barya. Tsaka nilagay ulit sa bulsa. Papiso-pisong tira. Pero sigurado for Alin Bulanadi. Tignan natin ulit itong nangyari sa transition na yon. Nakapasok itong layup ng San Beda. But on the other side, to beat the buzzer for Alin Bulanadi, sinigurado na, pinabanda, ginamit yung board, talbog, nothing but net para kay Alin Bulanadi. Governor of Zamboanga, Sibugay, Governor Ann Quejofer, and Vice Governor Boss Rick Oligario. Palaging andito ang aga sa game venue. Fourth quarter po tayo at 63-49. 14 yung puntos na kalamangan nitong Valientes. The time arc, floater, miss shot. Takbo Alin Bulanadi. Over the head pass to Rudy Linganay. Tapik nitong San Beda, out of bounds.
Medyo na hihirapan dito yung San Beda Red Lions. Kasi no, every time na may nagagawa silang mini run or magaganda ang mga shots, always at palagi may sagot agad itong Zamboanga Valientes. Minsan hindi lang sagot, may pabaon pa.
May pabaon pa mga fouls no?
Oo.
As Rudy Linganay knocks down a 3-pointer, pang-lima na siguro na tres, no?
Oo,
Itong Zamboanga Valientes.
I think that's a first for Rudy Linganay.
Nice feed inside, but good help by Barkley Bonia. That's a foul doon for Barkley. Napakagat siya sa peke na yun. This is 65-49 right now. Barkley Bonia, pangalawang foul na niya dito sa ating ball game.
66-49.
Bedes ball position. Inbound by Hamora.
On the other side.
Nahanapin itong si Aldos Turculas. Turculas against Barkley Bonia. That's a foul. 2 straight fouls for Barkley. Correction, that's on Mike DeMoses.
First personal foul, Moses. Taking foul.
Ngayon, baliktad naman tayo, Coach Kim. 1 minute pa lang, 2 personal or 2 team fouls na for San Beda. For Zamboanga Valientes rather.
Yeah, dalawa na agad yun no?
And a big shot coming from Itule. And malaking shot yun para sa kanya. At ngayon naman, may report tayo coming from Sarah Kirkman.
From Zamboanga Valientes, Assistant Coach Joseph, which is the local from Zamboanga, sabi niya must sa mga players put extra effort especially on defense and keep the energy on fire and challenge all those shooters. Sabi niya, diretso lang hanggang dulo dahil focus sila on winning tonight's game at makapagbigay ng magandang laro para sa kanilang mga taga-suporta at sa team ng Zamboanga Valientes. Kim and Nino.
Thank you so much, Shara. And yun nga, to the fans of Zamboanga, no, 3 hours or 4 hours away from Zamboanga, Sibugay. I'm pretty sure marami mga Zamboangueño fans natin na nanonood at sumusuporta for Zamboanga Valientes.
Oo naman. Kahapon nga, di ba? I mean, kagabi, wala pa yung Zamboanga Valientes doon. Punong-puno na tayo dito. Ano pa kaya na andito yung mga local nila? Mga baka...
San Beda. Wow, Titay.
O nga pala partner, no? Para din sa ating mga live viewers, in-announce lang just now na yung game pala dun sa supposedly sa
Kabasalan.
Oo. Ililipat na rin dito na lang din yung venue.
Okay, stop for San Beda, but on the other side, bawi ka agad itong sina Mendy. Linganay. Directing traffic for Zamboanga Valientes. Mendy wants it. Nice for that ball. That's a traveling violation. Tinawag kagad nila si Malik Diouf para pahingahin itong si John Paul Mendy. 7-27.
Kasi naka back-to-back turnover siya eh. Though yung first turnover naman, napahawi niya agad yun.
Oo.
Yun yung kailangan na mga player yun eh. Alam mo yun, pagka nag-error sila, wala ka ng time na alam mo yun, mag-emote ka pa.
Oo.
Wala na. Balik ka na agad. Bawiin mo na agad yung pagkakamali na yan.
That shot by Hamora erased by Malik Diouf. The rim protector. Malik Diouf too strong for the drive. He's asking for some foul. Takbo si na Aldous Turculas. Hamora all day. That's good for free. It is 66-58. San Beda cutting the lead. Down to a double digit. Or single digit rather.
Oo, 8 points na lang yan ha.
So, Coach Yuri Escueta asked for a challenge dito sa last touch. Tumama pa sa sapatos ni Coach ni Nick DeMoses no?
Oo, that was a good coach's challenge. Galing dito eh. Coach Yuri
Go to the corner, Bon Salida rattles out. An offensive rebound for San Beda this time. Though they don't have the size, coach nga. Yung timing lang talaga.
Timing at saka partner, huwag kong kakalimutan. Yung puso, the heart of the champion. Diba? Kaya pala, balikan natin about yung sa mga coaches challenge. Diyan din pumapasok yung mga accountability ng isang player. Alam mo yun? Yung gusto ng coach, challenge. Sasabihin mo, hindi coach, wag na coach. Alam ko ako outside. Huwag natin sayang. Or let's just play through eh. Gamitin natin sa mas importante or mas sure na
challenge. Tsaka sabi nga ni si Hamora talaga yung lumapit kay Coach Andre and Coach Yuri, no? Na-challenge mo yun. On the other side, Hamora called for a foul against Rudy Linganay. Linganay against Zamora. 6-28. Malik Diouf. Vic Manuel. Denied. But recovered by Bulanadi. That's good for 2. Para kay Aline Bulanadi. 8-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Pull up. Medroso knocks down another triple. Timely shots for San Beda. Turculas, Hamora in transition. missed shot, but they have the numbers. And a 5-0 run, Coach Kim.
Oh, grabe. Ang ganda ng defense na pinapakita dito ng San Pedro Red Lions. Pero at the same time, si Rudy Lingana ay naghahanap ng kakampi. Walang nakatingin sa kanya. Hindi niya ma-forward pass. Napipilitan siyang ibigay dito sa kanyang mga big men.
We'll see kung ano yung gagawin ng mga veterano dito. As Malik Diouf has it. Tolomia finds the lane. Malik Diouf. Corner. Shot clock violation. Another stop coming from San Pedro. (68 to 65). Tatlong puntos na lang itong hinahabol ng San Beda. The fans and the supporters at yung mga taga-titay dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium. Tumatayo na po sa kanilang kinauupuan. Another attempt from downtown for San Beda. Wow, titay. That's a foul for team foul. Correction, second team foul for San Beda.
Grabe ang tira ni Tortulias na yun. If pumasok yun, that would have been huge para dito sa San Beda Red Lions. Itong score natin ngayon, 3 na lang yung kalamangan ng Zamboanga Valientes. Yung mga Leon, literal na ginapang nila yung kalamangan na yan para makalapit ng ganito.
Slowly but surely, no? Hindi natin narinig yung kanilang mga yapak. Silent run for San Beda Red Lions. Bulanadi asking for some friend here. Bulanadi nilapit. Bulanadi malakas. Malik Diouf to the rescue. Doon yung putback for Malik Diouf. 70 to 65. Back to 5-point lead for Zamboanga. Andos Tortulias. 10 seconds to shoot. Medroso with a floater. Miss shot. Rebound secured. Yun lang. Vic Manuel with a chicken wing. Extending his elbow. Pushing away itong si Bonzalida.
Oo, grabe yung rebound yun na yun eh, no? Pero nga, eto, gustong tingnan natin. Ayun, no?
Yun. May halong gigil din eh, no?
Oo.
For Vic Manuel.
Kasi grabe na rin talaga naman yung takbo ng laro natin, yung pressure ng laro natin. Pero as you can see, hindi magpapatinag ang Zamboanga Valientes. Sanay na sanay sila sa mga itong sitwasyon. Oh, Galita.
Too strong for Pedroso. Diretso naman sa kamay. Itong si Raton de Coco.
Here in the last final quarter,
Mike Tolomia. Comes Tolomia. Corner. Vic Manuel. Fires. That's good. For Vic Manuel. And we have a timeout for San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Tikay. The lead is back to 8. Vic Manuel with a big three-pointer. You're still watching this Dr. Ann K. Hofer Basketball Open Invitational Tournament. Ninyo Abanit po alongside Coach Kim Reyes sa napakagandang bakbakan. Ito sa Zamboanga Valientes kontra sa Season 101 ng NCAA Champions San Beda Red Lions. Wow, titay. It is 65 to 73 earlier. San Beda able to cut down the lead to 2. But right now, Coach,
yes,
biglang bumalik sa 8.
That's what I mentioned earlier nga, no? What a shot para dito sa San Beda Red Lions.
You know, the Red Lions feeling it tonight. Tolomia is saying to Diouf that I'm in front of you. Kalimag again. That's a foul. to, be amazed with that Kalimag shot. But he is feeling it. Pinunasan ni Coach Yuri yung kamay ni Kalimag. Kasi medyo madulas na, may pawis eh.
At saka, alam natin na that's a green signal eh. Go signal, open, go, keep shooting that.
Oo, for Coach Yuri.
Oo,
Pinunasan
keep
ko
shooting
na.
it. Oo.
Ikaw na bahala dyan.
Kumbaga, pinunasan at binigyan ng shooting powers.
Oo.
Coach Yuri, eh. No?
And I love the rotation of Coach Yuri dito sa ating under 5-minute mark ng ating fourth quarter, Coach.
Oo.
6 to 7 guy lang yung kanyang rotation dito.
Pero mabilis yung balase ng mga tao.
Tolomia, didiskarte dito for Zamboanga Valientes. Two hearts asking for it. Tolomia fires, misses, and a big rebound for San Beda. Easy steal by Bulanadi. Malik Duke! That's a good foul for Reyes.
Oh, yes. Great quality.
Zamboanga Valientes bench coach, asking for some unsportsmanlike foul. But,
Yeah, that's just a regular foul.
Regular
di ba?
foul.
Ano
Duty foul
magagawa? Hanggang bewang lang yung Reyes di ba? Tapos, he was really going for the ball. Tumama lang sa kamay, regular foul.
oo. So, I guess Coach Joseph Romarate will ask for an upgrade or review here if meron bang upgrade. But 3 minutes pa lang, Coach Kim, So, no mandatory review here.
Oo, yes. Tama
If we
naman.
are under 2 minutes, yun pwede sanang mag-mandatory review.
Pero, di ba, ako, tingin ko, it was just a regular foul for me. Lalo na, ganun ka tangkad yung pinafoul mo, tapos you're going for the ball naman. It was no intention to harm or whatsoever.
Siguro if that was a above the shoulder foul, normally, pwede pa siguro nilang
Pwede,
i-contest,
di ba? Or kung hiniklat ba yung jersey niya na para yun, no question about that. And makikita yan talaga agad ng officials natin. It would not be even needing a review for that matter.
Malik Diouf completes the 2 free throw. Much needed, Coach.
Oo.
Breather. Oo. 75-68. Reyes.
Great defense na lang galing dito kay Raton Timoco.
Mendoza misses that. That's a foul on Kalimag. 5 team fouls. So 2 shots.
Yun nga, eto na naman. Penalty na naman.
Vic
Ang
Manuel
San Beda.
pa. Yung final nila dun.
Oo.
2 minutes and 46 by the way. Itong si Vic Manuel, may naaalala tayo dito sa kanyang mga tattoo no?
Oo.
Yung tropa
Actually,
natin.
Si
Sino pa ba?
Kuya Bax.
Kuya Bax.
Yan, oo. Which is, naalala ko nga pala, panalo yan sila nung game nila nung last February 15.
Oo.
So, shoutout dyan kay Kuya Vax sa Kuya Vax Fried and Barbecue tsaka sa team nila, which is the Kuya Vax Kapangos Game Farm.
Grabe din yun. Yung mga manok ni Kuya Bax.
Oh, all the way yan from Cebu. Nanonood
Cebu,
siya.
oo. From
dito
Cebu
sa
pala.
game, yes.
Tsaka sa mga, mga kapangos niya dyan sa
Kapangos,
Bourbon,
oo.
Cebu.
Yes.
Shout out to you, Kuya Bax. It is 77-68.
By the Simmons fans and supporters. Now 24 downtown.
Vic Manuel. Nakuhaan dun. 4 seconds. Nasa inside. Good stop by Zamboanga Valientes. 2 minutes to change. Bulanadi scanning the floor. Double team. Bulanadi. That's a foul. Against Kalimag. That's a foul on Mike Tolomia. Ay, kaunting gulang doon for Mike Tolomia. Nakita niya, Kalimag was, in the air na to stop that long pass coming from Alin Bulanadi.
Pero tinanggap niya naman. Sinabi niya actually.
I admit it.
Hindi niya wala na. Fall talaga. Sabi.
Ganda ng positioning ni Kalimag doon.
Oo.
2 on 12. Here comes Sanbeda. Ituli spins. Pumihit.
Ganda naman.
Pinabanda pa. 7-point lead for the Valientes. Under 2 minutes.
Eto na tayo.
Denver Cadiz scans the floor. Tolomia goes in and out. Kick out. Vic Manuel fires. Knocks down the 3-pointer.
What a shot para dito sa Muscle Man.
Right on cue for Muscleman Vic Manuel. Sanbeda. Hindi na pumapasok yung kanila bitaw kanina, coach.
Oo. Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Just in time na lumalapit na yung Sanbeda, palaging meron pa rin sagot itong Zamboanga Valientes. At minsan may pasobra pa nga ng mga points yan.
Shot clock winding down. Kick out. Vic Manuel needs to fire. Long two. Miss. Rebound by the smallest guy. Denver Cadiz.
You can see the leadership and experience dito ni Mike Tolomia. Sinasabi niya ito si Cadiz na huwag mo na i-attempt. Mamaya na, ubusin mo natin. Pababay natin yung shot clock before we take the attempt.
Alin Bulanadi misses that layup. Big shot at the rainbow territory. His muscle man. But adjusting his, play here with Malik Diouf, nakasabay na inside the floor. Coach Yuri's kwento naman, napatawag ng timeout dito. Back to the drawing board for Sanbeda. They have the, chance earlier to get the lead against Zamboanga Valientes. But Zamboanga, hindi naman pumayag doon, na makuha ng Sanbeda yung kalamangan.
Oo. Lumapit, pero hindi mo nakita nag-crumble down sa pressure itong Zamboanga Valientes.
Hamora goes to Torculas. Kalimag fires, miss shot. Rebound Malik.
Country Coco na naman. Yung nakapulot ng bola na yan.
Bilis ng reaction that's a cabinet.
A traveling population. 39.1 seconds. Fast and wisdom.
Barkley Bonia checks back here.
Well-deserved rest para sa muscle man natin.
37 seconds. Hamora. Ituli. And that's a big shot for Ituli. May wet spot tayo dito. 34 seconds.
Ito yung kick out kay Itulio. Was that Itulio?
Yeah, Ituli.
34 seconds remains in the final quarter. 80-73. Si Pedrosa.
Zamboanga Valientes with a 7-point lead. Another wet spot here at nadulas itong si Hamora.
Ito yung magandang nakikita natin sa basketball scene, 'di ba? Parang aside din sa mga lagi nakikita natin ng mga violence, diba? Etong mga ganito na gestures.
Oo.
Si Malik Diouf, nakita niya nadulas yung player ng San Beda. You really told the refs and everyone to stop muna, wait
Oo.
lang. Papunasan natin, madulas eh.
Tsaka yung pumuna, si Nick Dimoses. Si Nick Dimoses yung
Si Nick
pumunas.
oo. Siya yung pumuna. Gamit niya yung beep mo niya. Pinapunas niya.
Tapos binigay niya sa kanyang katabi.
34 seconds.
Magit-gitan dito between
Oo.
Diouf and Medroso and Kalimag naman, his former teammate. Pumagit na kagad dito. I mean, former teammate of Malik Diouf.
34 seconds left.
Partida yan, hindi pa nai-inbound yung bola.
Oo.
Hindi pa nabibigay ng referee.
Pasensya na lang, bukay ko tayo kay Tagalog sa please. 34
80 to 73. 34 seconds. Here comes the IQ inbound again by Alin Bulanadi against the full court press ni San Beda. Last touch for Medroso.
29.2.
Nasali siguro sa practice routine nila.
Shot count 20.
Pangalang beses yung ginawa eh. Usually, isang beses lang nakikita yan sa mga basketball game eh, no?
Pero dalawang beses
Dalawang
din
beses.
nakita.
And from the same player.
Dalawang beses din nakita ni Alin Bulanadi yung opportunity to bounce it off to his opponent's back, eh, no? Malik Diouf.
21 seconds.
That's a foul
And a foul.
on Medroso.
Number 55.
Malik Diouf. Challenge nila sa free throw line.
Oo, balik na naman siya sa free throw line.
The former UP Fighting Maroons won a championship for their Maroon community. Oh, nice block. Nice stop by Vic Manuel. Medrosa fires. That's good for 3. Back to 5-point lead. It is still not finished, Coach Kim.
Oo, napaganda pa yung na-block shot eh, di ba? No? Tingnan natin ulit yan. Also,
The presence of mind with a inbound here. They go to Malik Diouf. Foul on Hamora.
balik na naman. Malik Diouf sa
Diouf,
free throw line.
oo.
Siya nga pala, partner, gusto ko lang pala batiin yung natin, team ng Pinamungahan National High School. Ungas basketball team kasi provincial, anong tawag? Provincial meet.
Meet,
Ayan.
Sa Cebu
Oo,
province.
Cebu province. For their achievements. Congratulations. Tsaka dyan sa ever supportive and my good friend, Attorney Marvin Mirales.
Congratulations, team. Pinamungahan. Malik Diouf. Dalawang mintes. Sino nga hanapin? Torculas. Aldous. Short. Rebound. Andito pa rin sa Beda. Hamora. Fires. Rebound by Tolomia. And a foul given by Itule.
Grabe yung dapat binigay ng San Beda.
They are season 101 for a reason. No? Itong San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Tinay. But this time, another player for Zamboanga Valientes to get the free throw line. First one for Mike Tolomia. Former Meralco Bolts. FEU tama raw. Nag-champion din with Macbelo, Barkley Bonia. Medrosa, corner. Three-pointer, miss shot. We'll have a review of that one counts.
Our review